In our fast-paced and hectic world, it can be easy to neglect our spiritual well-being. However, the power of spiritual disciplines should not be underestimated. These practices have the potential to unlock a path to spiritual growth and enlightenment, transforming our lives in profound ways. By embracing and nurturing our souls through these disciplines, we can elevate our spirituality and embark on a journey towards wholeness. In this article, we will explore the untapped potential of spiritual disciplines and unveil the secrets to spiritual growth. The power of spiritual disciplines. Spiritual disciplines encompass a wide range of practices that are designed to cultivate a deeper connection with the divine and nourish our souls. These disciplines include prayer, meditation, fasting, journaling, solitude, and many more. While each discipline serves a unique purpose, they all share a common goal: to bring us closer to our spiritual essence. By engaging in these practices regularly and intentionally, we tap into a wellspring of spiritual power that can transform every aspect of our lives. Discovering the key to spiritual growth. The key to spiritual growth lies in the consistent practice of spiritual disciplines. These practices serve as the catalysts for personal transformation and allow us to deepen our relationship with the divine. Whether it is through prayer, meditation, or other disciplines, the act of setting aside time for spiritual nourishment opens up a space within us to receive guidance, wisdom, and enlightenment. By prioritizing these practices in our lives, we unleash the power that resides within us and embark on a transformative journey towards spiritual growth. Exploring the untapped potential within. Within each of us lies a wellspring of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. Through the practice of spiritual disciplines, we can tap into this potential and awaken our true selves. By engaging in these practices consistently, we create a sacred space within us that allows for self-reflection, introspection, and personal growth. The disciplines serve as tools to clear our minds, heal our hearts, and align our spirits with the divine. As we explore this untapped potential within, we discover a sense of purpose, meaning, and fulfillment that transcends the superficial aspects of life. Transforming lives through spiritual disciplines. Spiritual disciplines have the power to transform lives in profound and meaningful ways. They provide a framework for personal growth, enabling us to develop qualities such as patience, compassion, gratitude, and forgiveness. Through prayer, we cultivate a deeper relationship with the divine, finding solace and guidance in times of difficulty. Through meditation, we quiet our minds and connect with our innermost selves, experiencing a sense of peace and clarity. These practices not only transform our individual lives, but also have a ripple effect, positively impacting those around us. Unveiling the secrets of spiritual growth. The secrets to spiritual growth lie in the consistent practice of spiritual disciplines, the willingness to surrender to the divine, and the commitment to self-reflection. By embracing these secrets, we unlock our true potential and become co-creators of our spiritual journey. It is through the discipline of prayer that we develop a deep connection with the divine, while meditation allows us to transcend the limitations of the ego and experience unity with all of creation. Through fasting, we learn to let go of attachments and cultivate self-discipline. These secrets, when embraced and practiced, reveal a path to spiritual growth that is transformative and enlightening. Unlocking the path to spiritual enlightenment. The path to spiritual enlightenment is unveiled through the consistent practice of spiritual disciplines. It is through these practices that we can silence the noise of the outside world and tap into the wisdom and guidance that resides within us. By unlocking this path, we open ourselves up to a higher consciousness and a deep sense of connection with the divine. The journey towards spiritual enlightenment is not a destination but a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. Through the disciplines, we peel back the layers of ego and illusion, revealing the radiant light of our authentic selves. Embracing the journey to spiritual wholeness. Embracing the journey towards spiritual wholeness requires a commitment to nurturing our souls through spiritual disciplines. These practices serve as a source of nourishment that replenishes our spirits and restores our sense of purpose and meaning. By actively engaging in these practices, we create a harmonious balance between our inner and outer worlds, bringing a sense of wholeness and alignment to our lives. The journey towards spiritual wholeness is not without its challenges, but through discipline and dedication, we can navigate the obstacles and emerge as transformed beings. Harnessing the power of spiritual practices. The power of spiritual disciplines is undeniable. By harnessing the power of practices such as prayer, meditation, and fasting, we can unlock a path to spiritual growth and enlightenment. These practices allow us to explore the untapped potential within, transform our lives, and unveil the secrets of spiritual growth. Through embracing the journey to spiritual wholeness and nurturing our souls, we elevate our spirituality and discover a deeper connection with the divine. So, let us embark on this transformative journey, embracing the power of spiritual disciplines and unlocking our true spiritual potential.